Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to open your profile page on Instagram. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. If you haven't already downloaded it, head to your app store and get it. Once the app is open, you'll be greeted by your feed filled with posts from accounts you follow. Next, look for the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This icon typically resembles a small person or a silhouette. Tapping on this will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile page, take a moment to browse through it. Here, you'll see your profile picture at the top, along with your username and bio. This is where you can express who you are and what your account is about. If you scroll down, you'll find all the posts you've shared so far, displayed in a grid format. You can also check out various options available on your profile page. For instance, if you want to edit your profile, simply tap on the Edit Profile button. This allows you to update your bio, change your profile picture, or even link to other social media accounts or websites. Additionally, look for the three horizontal lines in the upper right corner of your profile page. Tapping this will reveal more options, including settings, insights if you have a business account, and saved posts. Remember, customizing your profile is essential for making a good impression on visitors and followers alike. So take some time to ensure everything reflects who you are. That's it. You've successfully opened and navigated your Instagram profile page. Feel free to explore and make changes as needed to create a profile that truly represents you. Thanks for watching.